Hello everyone, I am KSH Kauna Shishira. Today I am here to discuss, this true wireless sound headphones. This is called TWS1 PRO2. It's from Edifier. Some of you might have known the brand for many years. It has its own music signature and very good bass. But the main thing I want to discuss is the shop that I have purchased it from. The name is Techland. You might have heard the name. And I got the product from them, and then my product was a bit faulty. My one earphone stopped working after like 2 months. So I thought I was never gonna. I searched the internet and found no solution. But then I contacted them, the Techland, and their support team is so good that they gave me this new one. TWS. It's 5,500 taka, so it's affordable. This is like a jewelry box, you can see. So let me first show you the accessories. We've got the charger here. This is the spare buds, and there's a Type C charger, and there's a silica gel, and there's your manuals, documentations. So now the main thing, real thing, the one that I am waiting for, we are waiting for. This looks really good. It's a new one. I don't know how much charge is left, but it should be good. Now you can see the blinking light is already off. That means it's connected with my phone. So now I will use it. Just hit the play button on the Spotify. Just hit the play button on the Spotify. Yeah. You know, when you got your earphones mixed up with problems, there's nothing better than getting it again. You know, the bass and the treble and everything. Thanks to Edifier for replacing the unit, and thanks to Techland for the outstanding support. So this was the video. Goodbye everyone.